Hey everyone, in this video we are going to start a new tutorial on Django. Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. Built by experienced developers, it takes care of much of the hassle of web development, so you can focus on writing your app without needing to reinvent the wheel. It's free and open source. Django follows the Model View Template (MVT) architectural pattern. This means that in Django, the model represents the data structure, the view represents the interface, and the template represents the layout of the website. Before starting this tutorial, you should have Python and pip installed on your machine. If you don't have these installed, you can follow the instructions for your operating system in the Python documentation here. Before installing Django on your machine, make sure that the Python is installed on your computer. Or else you can visit this official site of Python and download from here. Now let's look on how to install Django. To install Django, open a terminal and write the following command. Before installing Django, make sure that the virtual environment is active on your computer. You can activate the virtual environment on your computer using the following command. Now you can see that we successfully activated the virtual environment. Now we can install Django by the following command. As you can see on the sidebar, this code will create a new directory named as My Project. You can give them the desired name for your project, example, web project, etc. Now we can navigate to the root directory of your Django project. You can run this by the following command. Successfully, we have installed Django on our computer. Now let's run the server to check if there is any error. You can run the server by the following command. As you can see, we have successfully installed Django on our computer. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and like our video.